Welcome to Compare to Win. The best convertible furniture is probably one of the most ingenious solutions for modern living, transforming small spaces into multifunctional havens by seamlessly shifting from a sofa to a bed, a coffee table to a dining table, or even a bookshelf to a desk, offering unparalleled versatility and smart design to maximize every square inch of your home without compromising on style or comfort, making it an essential investment for urban dwellers and anyone looking to optimize their living environment. Number 5. Lunix LX15 Modular Kids Play Couch. This innovative play couch offers unparalleled versatility. Unlike others, it features 14 foam pieces in 7 unique shapes, allowing for truly limitless creations. Your children's safety is paramount. It's crafted from high-quality, high-density foam, certified by OEKO-TEX and CertiPURUS, ensuring it's free from harmful substances. Watch as your kids transform its 14 versatile pieces into anything they can imagine. From cars and castles to tents and slides, the possibilities for adventure are endless. It's not just for play, it's for connection. It fosters social skills and creativity, encouraging less screen time and more engaging family fun. This is the ideal gift for any child, sparking joy and exploration. Parents will appreciate its removable and washable velvet cover, ensuring easy maintenance and lasting comfort. As a family-owned business, we stand by our premium, tested products. We offer a 1-year warranty and dedicated US-based customer support for your peace of mind. What we like? This modular play couch offers an incredible 14 foam pieces for unlimited creative builds. If you have energetic kids who love to build and imagine, this is perfect for fostering their creativity and reducing screen time. With its certified safe materials and washable covers, it's a worry-free choice for active families. What people say? The furniture seamlessly transforms from a sofa to a bed, offering versatile functionality for small spaces. Its robust construction ensures stability in both configurations, providing reliable support. The innovative design allows for quick and effortless conversion, enhancing user convenience. Number 4. Best Choice Products 2-in-1 Transforming Outdoor Wooden Picnic Table Garden Bench. This unique furniture piece effortlessly transforms from a picnic table to a garden bench in seconds. It allows you and your guests to enjoy lunch or simply lounge outdoors with ease. Crafted from sturdy natural wood, it comfortably seats up to 4 people as a table or 2 as a bench. Its lightweight design also ensures easy mobility around your outdoor area. Its clever design combines a bench and table into one, making it ideal for smaller backyards, patios, gardens, or decks. This piece helps you make the most of your available outdoor area. A convenient 1.5-inch diameter hole is built into the tabletop. This allows you to easily add most standard umbrellas, providing shade from the sun's harmful rays. The natural wood finish is perfect for your next DIY project. You can paint it any color or style to perfectly complement your outdoor aesthetic. What we like? This clever outdoor piece transforms seamlessly from a picnic table to a garden bench in seconds. If you have a smaller outdoor space or love versatile furniture, this is an excellent choice for maximizing functionality. Its natural wood design is also perfect for DIY customization, letting you personalize your patio. What people say? Number 3. DaVinci Kalani 4-in-1 Crib Combo. Introducing the ultimate nursery solution, the DaVinci Kalani 4-in-1 Crib Combo. This versatile piece grows with your child, offering comfort and convenience from infancy through their school years. Prioritize your child's health. It is GRN/GRD Gold certified. This ensures it meets rigorous chemical emission standards, creating a safer indoor air environment for your little one. This innovative design seamlessly transforms from a baby crib to a toddler bed, a daybed, and even a full-size bed. It's an investment that adapts to every stage of your child's development. With 4 adjustable mattress height positions, you can easily lower the mattress as your baby grows. This feature ensures both their safety and your ease of access. The integrated changing table provides a practical and organized space for diaper changes. It offers added convenience, keeping essentials within reach. Its classic white finish complements any nursery decor, offering a clean and timeless aesthetic. This elegant design ensures it fits beautifully into your home. What we like? This crib offers incredible longevity, converting from a baby crib to a full-size bed as your child grows. If you are looking for a safe, sustainable, and long-term investment for your nursery, this is an ideal solution. Its GRNGORD Gold certification ensures a healthier environment for your little one, providing peace of mind. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points can be extracted or quoted from original content. Number 2. TYBOATLE Sleep Chair Bed. This innovative chair offers incredible versatility. It effortlessly transforms from an accent chair to a chaise lounge, floor chair, or even a single sofa bed, adapting to all your needs. Should an impromptu party turn into a weekend stay, it can easily transition to meet those requirements. Experience ultimate relaxation with its quality sponge filling. The wear-resistant, anti-pilling linen fabric ensures lasting comfort for many years. Plus, its machine-washable cover makes upkeep a breeze. Its compact and minimalist design makes it ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, apartments, or offices. Detachable armrests and legs ensure it fits perfectly in small spaces, and a side pocket keeps essentials close at hand. Built with a durable metal frame, it supports up to 450 pounds. Non-slip feet protect your floors, ensuring stability and longevity for years to come. This ergonomic design provides reliable support. Assembly is a breeze, taking just 5 to 10 minutes with included tools and clear instructions. Should you need assistance, our professional team is ready to help within 24 hours. You'll be relaxing in no time. What we like. This incredibly versatile piece offers 5-in-1 functionality, transforming from an armchair to a chaise lounge, floor chair, or even a single sofa bed. If you live in a small apartment or frequently host overnight guests, this provides a comfortable and space-saving solution. With its adjustable backrest and convenient side pocket, it's perfect for both relaxation and practicality in any compact living area. What people say. Number 1. MAXYOYO Folding Sofa Bed. Introducing the MAXYOYO Folding Sofa Bed. This versatile piece effortlessly adapts to your needs, transforming any room into a comfortable haven. It's perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or even an impromptu nap. Its innovative zipper connection allows for easy transformation. Go from a cozy sofa to 2 independent floor cushions, or even an unfolding bed. The layout can be adjusted to suit any occasion, from family gatherings to personal relaxation. Experience lasting comfort with its high-density foam interior. The whole-piece foam provides superior support and resilience, while the shredded foam backrest ensures a soft, non-collapsing feel. You'll enjoy consistent comfort every time. Wrapped in soft, breathable corded fabric, it's both delicate to the touch and wear-resistant. The unique nail buckle decoration adds a touch of retro elegance, enhancing your home's visual appeal and creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. This 4-in-1 design combines multiple functions into one convenient piece. Use it as a living room sofa, a game room lounger, or extra seating for friends. Its versatility makes your home life more colorful and meets diverse leisure needs. Please note its dimensions are 63 by 31.5 by 16 inches. It arrives vacuum compressed. Simply open the package in a well-ventilated area and allow 48 hours for it to fully expand to its comfortable size. What we like. This folding sofa bed features a unique zipper connection, allowing it to transform into 2 independent floor cushions or a comfortable bed. If you like a cozy, casual lounging experience and appreciate a touch of retro style, this is a great fit for your living room or game room. Its high-density foam and soft corded fabric ensure superior support and comfort for both family gatherings and personal naps. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.